invited to a barbecue and they ask you to bring a salad or something like that, the first thing we all think about is, I'll do a potato salad, really easy. But isn't that a bit boring? I would prefer to bring this salad I'm gonna show you. It has layers of flavors, it is filling, it's fresh. This is what you wanna make. Let's go do it. Hello Cravers, and welcome back to Little Cravings. Today I am offering you a really good black bean, mango and avocado salad. It is delicious. It's layers and layers of flavor and it goes with everything. If you're a vegan, you can just have it with a flat bread and that has everything nutritionally that you have. So let's get to it. To begin with, I'm gonna use black beans. I love black beans. You can use red beans, you can kidney beans, chickpeas, you can use any bean you want. I think black beans gives it an earthiness. And you can make it with leftover beans, you can make it with tin beans, or you can just boil the beans in preparation for making this salad. So we're going to add this to our bowl. And along with that, I have sweet corn. You can use tinned sweet corn, but what I do is that I get fresh sweet corn. I take the kernels off the cob and then I put it on a dry frying pan and just toss it around on a high heat. And when they start popping, you must be careful. Then I turn it off and let it cool down. And then I add it to my beans. And that adds a lovely crunch. Then I am going to add some diced avocado and diced mango. And the avocado will give creaminess to this salad, plus really good fats, and the mango is gonna give it sweetness. Well, the sweet corn will also give it sweetness, but it'll give a bit of a crunch. So we're gonna mix all of that together. And then, as if we didn't have enough flavor, we are going to add some chopped coriander and some chopped chili. We're going to squeeze half a lime or a full lime. It depends on your taste and it depends on how juicy your limes are. Then obviously we're going to season it. We're gonna put, a good amount of salt and some black pepper. And then we're just going to lubricate it with some olive oil. And we're just going to mix it. This salad is so delicious. What I like, as I said before, what I like is the layers of flavor that you're going to achieve by making this mixture. You can make it with tinned goods, you can make it with pickled jalapenos. If you don't have one of the ingredients, it really doesn't matter. You can make a good salad out of it. And then I am going to add some fresh watercress. Watercress will add a freshness and a spiciness that will lift the salad. But if you're taking the salad anywhere, just make sure that you add your watercress at the very end, right before serving. And now we're going to serve it. It is very colorful with the red peppers, sweet corn. Now for garnish, I am adding some pickled onions, which I've had soaking overnight, but actually you can do it within 5, 10, 15 minutes of doing your salad. And it gives it not only the oniony flavor, but it doesn't have that rawness to it. And it gives it a bit of sourness, which is delicious with this salad. I've just discovered some cherry tomatoes in my refrigerator. So I've cut them in half and added them to the salad to add just a bit of more color. Now let's give it a try. I'm trying to get a little bit of everything, but there's a lot. Juiciness of that cherry tomato exploding in the mouth. The lime flavor. And that hint of chili. You can increase the chili, but this is perfect because you just get it, just that little explosion of chili, which doesn't overwhelm all the other flavors. The saltiness, and that earthiness of the beans. As I say, you can mix different beans. You can make this salad just with beans, with without the tomato, without the avocado. But I think this would be a showstopper. You bring that anywhere and it will fit in perfectly and it would please everyone. So I hope you make the salad. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and become part of the Cravers. We are on Instagram at Little Cravings Catering and Facebook at Little Cravings Catering. So please follow us and I'll see you next time.